Sigurado nang sasabak ang Gilas Pilipinas sa Olympic qualifiers matapos tambakan na ang China nitong Sabado. Heto rin ang una nilang panalo sa FIBA World Cup. Pero si head coach Chot Reyes nagpaalam na sa kupunan. Magbabalita si Ian Suyo.
Marshall looking to attack again. Puts up for another three. Yes!
Dumagundong ang Araneta Coliseum sa laban ng Gilas Pilipinas at China sa 2023 FIBA World Cup nitong Sabado. Sa wakas kasi, nakuha na ng Pilipinas ang mailap na panalo sa World Cup kahit pa classification match na ang nangyari. Tinambakan ng Pilipinas ang China 96-75 sa pangungunayan ni Jordan Clarkson na kumamada ng 34 points.
Whatever it is, they came out here and supported us, and we wanted to continue to fight. We've been doing that all cup, putting it out there on the line for the country, and just respect for our families and everything. So all of us gave, over 110% effort.
Great showing din para kay Renz Abando ang laban kontra China matapos makapagtala ng 14 points at 5 rebounds.
Masaya pa rin and dapat proud pa rin sila. So ayun, sana naging kahit papaano naibsan namin yung galit ng iba na nakakuha rin kami ng isang panalo.
Parang icing sa cake naman ang pagkapanalo ng Gilas for the birthday boy Dwight Ramos.
Yeah, of course. I mean, everybody was there. My family was there. The whole stadium was singing happy birthday, so can't ask for more.
Pero sa kabila ng panalo, inanunsyo ni head coach Chot Reyes ang kanyang pagre-retiro sa national team duties.
I always said that, judge us on the performance in the World Cup, regardless of what happened between the time I was appointed and today. I said, judge us by a performance. And obviously, we did not perform. We didn't perform, and like I said the last game, I take full accountability. And because of that, I think it is time for me to step aside. I hate using the word resign because I'm not a quitter.
Spotted naman ang ilang senador sa Araneta na naka-West Philippine Sea t-shirts. Pero tingin ni Senador Francis Tolentino, walang masama rito. Pagpapakita lang daw ito ng freedom of expression. At hindi rin daw ito ang unang beses na may nagsuot na parehong statement shirt sa FIBA World Cup. Nakatikim naman ng unang talo ang Team USA sa FIBA World Cup. Yan ay matapos silang lampasuhin ng Lithuania 110-104. Dahil dito, nakuha na ng Lithuania ang top spot sa grupo with 5-0 win-loss record.
We start game very well. I think of this we got advantage, and then we try to keep this advantage till the end of the game. Congratulations to our guys to execute plan very well.
Labis naman ang panghihinayang ng Team USA sa pagkatalo. Pero pasok pa rin naman sila sa knockout quarterfinal round kung saan makakatapat nila ang Italy. Magsisimula ang quarterfinals bukas sa Mall of Asia Arena. Para sa 1PH, Ian Suyu, News 5.
Sariwang balita ba ang hanap mo? Simple lang. I-click mo na ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga balitang dapat mong malaman.